Windows 7 and Windows Vista were officially declared dead years ago, but in 2026, something unexpected just happened. Fully updated Windows 7 and Vista ISO images, with every security patch included, are now available online. But the big question is this safe? Is this legal? And should anyone still use them in 2026? Let's break it down. According to a recent report by Neowin, a well-known Windows community enthusiast named Bob Pony has created custom installation images for Windows 7 and Windows Vista. These ISO files reportedly include all available security updates, going all the way up to January 2026. That's significant because January 2026 marks the final security update ever released for Windows Vista, which was still receiving limited support under Microsoft's Premium Assurance program. Now, let me be very clear here. These ISO images are not official Microsoft downloads. Microsoft does not provide updated Windows 7 or Vista ISOs anymore, and support for both operating systems has officially ended. These images are community created, meaning they were assembled by an enthusiast using publicly released updates. So why would anyone want Windows 7 or Vista in 2026? There are a few reasons: legacy software testing, old hardware compatibility, virtual machines for research or education, IT professionals dealing with outdated enterprise systems. For these use cases, having an offline ISO with all updates included can save a lot of time. However, there are serious risks you need to understand. First, security. Even with all updates installed, Windows 7 and Vista are no longer safe for daily internet use. Second, trust. Because these ISOs are unofficial, users must verify checksums and understand that Microsoft does not guarantee their integrity. And third, licensing. You still need a valid Windows license key to legally activate these operating systems. So, should you install Windows 7 or Vista today? Yes, for virtual machines, labs, testing, or education. And no, for personal daily use, banking, or sensitive data. If you need a modern system, Windows 10 or Windows 11 is still the safer choice. This video is based on a tech news report originally published by Neowin. Link to the original article is provided in the description. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share. Because we simplify tech news without the hype. Thanks for watching.